Verifying domain ownership is a crucial step in setting up your online presence. Godaddy is a popular domain registrar that provides a simple and straightforward process for verifying domain ownership. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to verify domain ownership with Godaddy. First, you need to log in to your Godaddy account. Navigate to the Godaddy website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or icon at the top right corner of the page and select My Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Account Manager page where you can manage all your domains. In the Account Manager page, click on the Domains tab and select the domain you want to verify. Click on the Manage button next to the domain name. This will take you to the Domain Settings page. In the Domain Settings page, scroll down to the Verification section. You will see a button that says Verify Domain. Click on this button to start the verification process. You will be given two options to verify your domain. You can either verify using email or using a meta tag. If you choose to verify using email, you will receive an email from Godaddy with a verification link. Click on this link to verify your domain. If you choose to verify using a meta tag, you will be given a meta tag code to add to your website. Copy this code and add it to the head section of your website. Once you have added the meta tag, go back to the Godaddy verification page and click on the Verify button. After you have verified your domain, you will receive a confirmation email from Godaddy. This email will confirm that your domain has been successfully verified. You can now use your domain to set up your website, email, and other online services. It is essential to verify your domain ownership to prevent unauthorized changes to your domain settings and to ensure that you receive important notifications from Godaddy. Verifying your domain ownership also helps to improve the security and credibility of your online presence. In conclusion, verifying domain ownership with Godaddy is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily verify your domain ownership and start using your domain to build your online presence.